Dozens of vendors who sell in the Coronation Market in downtown Kingston are thinking about their next move after fire gutted the facility just before dawn on Sunday. Jamaica Maitland reports.
A very, very sad Christmas.
It was not the phone call she was hoping to hear close to 4 a.m. Sunday. Venetia Parker, who's been selling in a section of the Coronation Market called Yam Park for over 7 years, became weak when she saw the damage done by the fire. All her market goods were destroyed.
I don't know, me I did in a car. It's very sad. I feel I start over back from scratch. It's very hard.
The fire was concentrated to a small section on the outskirts of the market. We saw vendors digging through the rubble of what were once shops and stalls worth thousands of dollars. This emotional vendor said she lost 1,000 pounds of chicken, appliances and other cooking equipment. She operated a restaurant there.
It's hard. Time like this now. I have my son to go to school. I have my mother that depend on me. I don't know if to tell you, it's hard, sir.
She and others now join the long list of vendors in the market district, now seeking assistance from government. Earlier this year, fire gutted the Rary and Oxford markets in the area.
Right now, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to start from right now. I couldn't even buy. I can't even buy. I just tough it out. So it does rough now.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.